it's wonderful to have Sunny Leone with us here in Pattaya on the sets of Mastizade. She's shooting for a song out here which is called Rom Rom Romantica, and she's looking as gorgeous as ever. Wonderful to have you back on Bollywood Hungama, first of all.
Thank you. But today I'm not Sunny. I'm Lily Lele.
Right. Two looks of Sunny, and the first one is Lily, which no one has seen, and we are the only privileged ones. So, if we start with Lily Lele, tell us more about Lily Lele.
I think Lily Lele is a very combined version of kind of who I really am, which is a little bit dorky, a little clumsy, a little spastic, as you probably saw in the shots. People are usually used to me being really sexy and everything's supposed to be beautiful and glamorous. Well, Lily Lele is probably a little bit on the opposite side of that. So she's more the conservative sister. Like I said, she's dorky. She's not as out there wearing bikinis. She's wearing a full-piece bathing suit and shorts.
Right.
So she's probably more me than Leila Lele.
Mila was just telling us that Lily is a character that will just elevate Sunny as an actress that she would like to be, because Leila is more like her. But Lily is something that gives her a scope in terms of comedy and being a goofball, which is totally different from what she has ever done before.
Yes, it's completely correct. And I get to just bring out my inner dorkiness that is there already, and that my real personality is really a little bit like this. And I think that when people see this, they're going to get to see a different side of me that is a little bit more funnier. I don't care how I look. I don't care about funny faces that I'm making, or if I, do silly little things. But I think I'm more like Lily Lele than Leila Lele. I think the world wants me to be Leila, but really I'm more like Lily.
Right. Sunny Leone is just turning younger by the day, because from the last time we met her in Rajasthan, she's looking much younger and prettier. What exactly are you doing? Lots of time in the cardio gym. What exactly are you doing?
I like calling Millip, and all the boys make fun of me, Tushar and Veer and everybody. But Millip and Rangata have told me that I'm probably going to be in a bikini in most of the shots in Pattaya in Thailand. So I hit the gym really hard. I'm trying to be as good as possible, although I did eat a hamburger today. But it was a small one. But I've been working out really hard, eating really good for the most part, and just want to look the best that I can in a bathing suit and a bikini. And it's Pattaya. It's an outdoor location where
How many
and
bikinis in total you've got? Because you've tweeted that shooting for a bikini for Thailand.
4, 5, 6, maybe more. Who knows?
Rangita had tweeted that when you guys came for this schedule, that 1 month of filming an adult comedy choked with conversations of sex and more sex, life will never be the same again, Mastizade. You guys have been discussing sex and more sex.
We've been discussing all things that are natural as a part of life. However you want to take that, you can. But I think more than anything, it is an adult comedy. There's a lot of conversations in the movie about adult material, but it's funny and it's all taken very lighthearted. It's supposed to be funny, it's supposed to be carefree, it's supposed to be silly, outrageous craziness. There are crazy jokes. I think every probably 30 seconds to 45 seconds in this movie there's some joke going on.
Right.
So yeah, there's lots of conversations we have that I don't think I've ever had on a Bollywood Indian set ever.
Right. Seeing Rom Rom Romantic, you're just enjoying yourself. Tell us more about the choreography and the song.
With this, there is choreographing this, the whole movie actually, all the dancing, all the songs, anything that requires any dancing he's been doing. He's been doing a great job. Very young choreographer. He's got a young team with him, so it's hip and fresh. And more than anything, just really nice to work with. I think this is probably been the most crazy, outrageous, most fun, just craziest time I've ever had on a movie set, where I know that I can say anything that I want to say and nobody's gonna take it the wrong way, or anybody can say anything to me and it's not going to be like, oh my gosh, what is she talking about?
Milap in an interview to us right now, he said that he's been given you a big compliment that Sunny in Masti Daaze is looking hotter than Katrina Kaif. So how do you take that?
First of all, I think she's probably one of the most beautiful people in Bollywood. I will take that as a compliment because she is so beautiful. So thanks, Milap.
Right. Rangita has also tweeted, I think today or yesterday. So it is official. I love Sunny Leone. The girl's a huge team player, and she teaches me wonderful new words every day. You replied to her as well. So now your producer is loving you. How does that feel? People can take it other ways as well.
You know what? Like I mentioned earlier, we've been having so much fun, and I have to say that Rangita and PNC they're so well organized, and I'm a creature that likes organization and things running on time, and when she says this pack up, it is pack up at that time, or when so they take into also consideration when your shots are and when they're going to bring you on set, give you a little bit extra sleep. So all these like little things, they make a huge difference. So when your director, your producer says, you know what, I know you were Layla just now and now you're Lily, I really need you to go back to Layla, even though that's a whole transformation that takes place and it takes time.
Absolutely.
I can never say no. I can never say no, I can't do that, or it's going to be too much for me to do, or too hard on my face or hair, whatever it is. So I think that because she's so organized and the whole team is so organized in what they're doing, it makes for such an amazing environment while working that all of us are happy. I don't think I've heard one complaint from anyone. Other than maybe, yes, we do have to wake up early and we might be tired, but that's okay. But there's no set drama, there's no bickering back and forth, this person wants that person's getting this. There's none of that going on. Like after pack up, we'll probably have like a nice sit down family dinner, which I don't usually do on set either. So it's just, she's done a great job.
You've been having a phenomenal journey, and the way people have been responding to you is outstanding. Projects are being designed for you, songs are being designed for you. Just care is taken in terms of making sure that everything goes well, because you're becoming like an industry in your own way. Now, how do you look at your journey? Because you were an adult film star, the sort of transformation that you've had. If you could take us through that journey, how's it been for you?
It would be a really long interview if I took you through the journey. But
people would love to know about it, actually.
What I can say about my journey is it's not the normal journey. It's not, I guess, the norm. I see myself as somebody who's done everything backwards and now trying to move forwards. It hasn't been easy. It still isn't easy. I still, go through moments where I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing or how things are going to end up or if this was a good decision or not. I've always followed my gut instinct. My husband and I, Daniel, we decide together whether a project works or not. I on the creative end, him on the business end. So I don't know, my journey's, I don't know how to explain it. It's craziness, it's madness, it's ups, it's downs, it's highs, it's lows, it's all of it. And there's, you make mistakes. I've made mistakes. I've made mistakes in signing projects maybe I shouldn't have, or worked with people that I knew I would have issues with, and I do have issues.
That is in terms of, you're talking about the adult film industry or Bollywood?
Bollywood, the whole journey. And as far as the adult industry goes, it was
the perceptions part of it. The way you've dealt with perceptions. The best part is, we've spoken about it earlier in our interviews, and how people's I've met so many people from within the industry, and they've got some really nice things to say about you. People can be bitchy as well, but about your professionalism and the fact that you're an extremely simple girl, and you're saying that it's not been a normal journey, but they call you that you're extremely normal and level-headed. So about that aspect, how the perceptions have been, how they were, and how they've been changing. So if you could please speak about it.
I can only change one person's opinion at a time. So when I get a chance to work with somebody that I've never worked with before, I'm just myself. And unfortunately, sometimes that gets me in trouble, and sometimes it doesn't. Because like I mentioned before, everything for me is in black and white.
Okay.
I sign a contract, monies are exchanged. I show up on set the time you tell me to. I'm always on time. I always try my 110% and give you everything that I have. But when something doesn't go on their end, then unfortunately I get in trouble because I call them out on it. But as far as like perceptions of people, I can only change them one person at a time. And there's been people maybe I didn't get along with or that I made mistakes myself. So for that, I'm sorry out there.
Fantastic. Pleasure having you on Bollywood Hungama, and all the best wishes. Thanks a lot.